how to delete your Splitwise account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Splitwise account. So to do that, first of all, open the Splitwise app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Splitwise account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to tap on the Accounts tab, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, tap on your name or your email address right over here. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the account settings page. Now once you're on this page, what you'll have to do now is simply scroll down to the bottom side of the screen until you see the option delete your account. Simply tap on it. And now in order to delete your account, you'll have to first of all enter your current password over here, and if the password matches your account, simply tap on the option delete your account and make sure that this is not temporary deletion, but it will permanently delete your Splitwise account. So as you can see, your account has been successfully closed, and now you may delete the Splitwise app to finish removing all Splitwise data from your device. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.